What is going on, guys? I kind of lost my breath on that one. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another install. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you're new, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the Subaru, the Taco, the FD, and a missing Mustang. Today, we're gonna make this taco a little bit more spicy, just a tiny bit, just like that big, just a little bit, just a tiny bit more spicy. Got the DV8 slick roof rack or low profile roof rack, I don't know, something, but this thing looks freaking great and I cannot wait to install it on the Taco. Guys, this thing is looking pretty damn good. After the cap mount chop and cutting some of the plastics and doing the pinch weld, perfect. It's running smooth and it looks great. Just look at it. I just need to lift that back right there, just the 3 inches that I need, and I'm perfect. So now we can actually go trailing and we can take it out and have some fun. But first, we're gonna install this roof rack and let's get to it, shall we? So the first thing we gotta do is remove the actual liner from the roof. Should be fairly easy to just take off. I'm not gonna take off the one in the far back. There's like a little tiny piece. I want it to look black all the way around. So the one that I'm gonna be removing is just this long one that goes all the way to the back, but not the rear one, okay? Just this one, because I still want it to look like it's kind of stock, even though we have a roof rack, but still, I kind of wanted to look kind of stock. Just this one. There's another one back here that I'll show you guys in a bit. Right here. This line right here. I am not trying to remove that. I'm trying to keep it stock. So you're basically gonna remove the weather stripping that's on here. There's like 2 spots. This one does the outermost parts of the truck. It looks like this. So shouldn't be that much trouble to do that. And then once you do that, you just start bolting this thing up. We should be bolting the sides first, and pretty much go from there. So let's get it. Leave some wiggle room just in case. Let's go to the back. This side is done for now. Again, we're not gonna fully, tighten it until we put everything together and everything looks good. So let's go on to the other side. I'm just installing the back part. So the front and the back do come with nuts that you have to screw on. So the the hardest thing about this install is that there's no instructions. So I'll link the video, the install video that I actually saw that explains it pretty well. You might run into some fitment issues in the front, you might not, it just depends. But I'm gonna try to fix that. But so far it just, Jesus, look at that. I'm running out of light here, so I'm gonna try to do this as fast as I can now. Of course not you know, clumsy or anything, but I'm gonna try to make this as fast as I can. So I'm gonna work on the back now. The other side, and then we're gonna tighten everything up. Give me just one moment. Oh my god. This looks so good. Oh, look at it. So we finished installing it. Again, it's a little bit dark, so I kind of didn't do this in a timely manner. But we got it on and it looks freaking amazing, guys. This roof rack, it's a DV8 roof rack, and I'll link it down below so you guys can get it if you like. It's the cheapest I found that I actually like, that looks slick and looks kind of durable. This is a 100-pound rack, which means that it holds around 100 pounds. I'm just gonna probably put like an awning, some cargo boxes, and lights. That's about it. Maybe later I'll get the Prinzer rack. That's like later, because that thing is super expensive. But this one for 500 bucks, I don't think it's that bad. So it looks damn great, guys. You don't have to drill anything. It's straight on bolt on. You might run into some fitment issues just like I did. I can't guarantee you do or you won't, but it's there. Just be aware that if you do go with this rack, you might run into some fitment issues. Hopefully not, but again, it's a pretty nice rack. It holds 100 pounds. That's more than what I need. Where I'm gonna put all the weight is probably gonna be in the back once I get my bed rack. So this rack is super amazing and I love it. I love how it looks, and it actually isn't that bad after you install it. You think that you're gonna not get a good fitment, but it's actually a pretty good fitment after you start bolting everything on in place. But anyway, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, this Tacoma is actually taking a good turnaround from when we got it stock, and I'm loving how it looks. I hope you guys are too, and it's ready for some off-road, man. I'm super excited to go off-roading, get it to the trails. I hope you guys are too. Tag along with this in this journey with this Tacoma. Again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because we have taco content now, we have Subaru content, we have RX-7 content, we have Mustang content now coming on, and I'm just super excited. A lot of things are coming soon, and I just can't wait to show you guys everything that I'm planning with these builds. I'm just so excited. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace out. Yeah.